Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Sign into your Google account and enable two-step verification for safer syncing. Once done, open Calendar. Google, Com, or the mobile app and allow calendar sync so events appear across devices. Now create a dedicated calendar for work, personal, or a project and assign a color. This keeps visibility high. Make sure to name calendars clearly. That way you can toggle layers fast, avoid duplication, and focus on the events that matter. Next, add events with clear titles, start and end times, guests, and locations. Include conferencing links when needed so attendees join easily. Use recurring events for weekly meetings and set reminders or email notifications to automate follow-ups. This cuts manual checks. Integrate tasks and goals for personal to DOS, and connect third-party apps like Zoom or project tools to reduce switching. By automating common patterns and keeping details in events, you prevent miscommunication and save time during busy weeks. Finally, optimize visibility. Review which calendars are shown, adjust color filters, and confirm free versus busy sharing settings so others see appropriate details. Export or backup calendars periodically and verify sync settings on each device to avoid missing events. If invites or updates fail, check event permissions, confirm guest email addresses, and inspect time zone settings. Those are the usual culprits. If problems persist, refresh the app or re-add the calendar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.